I'm gonna show you a hack to get to the end, so you can get more gold. This is gonna be one hack to get to the end. Well, this is gonna be the only hack to get to the end that I know so far. First, you lay down 2 bricks like that, 1 brick like that, and then another brick like that, and then another brick like that. Just like a plus sign. And now, you get one of these thingies. And then you push T. And then it should be like that. Then you click, and then you only need 1. And then you can stand on it. If you have brick, you can do it like whatever. But if you don't have brick, you don't have to do it. Whatever. Just like that. Okay, now this is gonna be the hack. I'm actually true. This is a hack. Space to go up, and you just keep on going forward. Sometimes you'll just do that, but get back up and keep on going. Makes you fly for some reason. But what I like to do is get to the very top, so I don't have to go through any of these. And sometimes, well, most of the times, you can go to the ends. Okay, there you go. Now, you can just go to the treasure chest. Voila!